What's up, guys? Noel McCatchy here today, and I'm diving into something totally out of the ordinary, even for me. So, environmental cold exposure in the middle of a snowstorm. Yep, you heard that right. So, typically, I do cold showers on a regular basis, and I have to say, I actually feel the cold more in a cold shower environment than I do just laying in the snow with the wind on me at 20 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's all about how water interacts with your body, covering more surface area than snow could ever hope to. I want to take this to the next level someday with an ice bath. I got to push things to the limit, just not past the limit. You won't catch me diving into frozen lakes anytime soon like Wim Hof may, because I'm comfortable with staying at 80% mastery. I don't need to push it past that with cold exposure. I have an established cold tolerance from frequent deliberate cold exposure. So don't try this at home without being pre-adapted to the cold. You could die. Don't do that. Enough of me talking. Here's the video. All right, 6 minutes. Woo. Oh man, where'd my flip flop go? All right, that's 6 minutes. First time ever doing that. But I do cold showers every day, so kind of a little bit prepared for it, I guess. But mostly my feet feel most of the cold because they were in the snow primarily. Primarily, mostly. I mean, the sun was keeping me warm a little bit, so it's a little bit. I don't know. It was a good experience. I need to get inside though. I'm cold. All right, this is my second time doing cold exposure outside. So I'm not gonna set a goal for how long I'm gonna stay in there. I'm just gonna get in there, listen to my body. Whenever it tells me to get out, I'm gonna be getting out. I'll have a stopwatch on my phone to keep track of how long I'm in there though. All right, let's go for it. All right. Wow, that's 7.5. I guess just over 7.5 minutes. That's a record for me. Wow. Feel good though. Woke me up a little bit. Now I gotta go inside, get warm.